Let's set up your POS Buddy and PeGeFlash app. First up, go to the mobile app users page under General Settings on PeGePay. Let's set POS Buddy to active. Select Lump Sum only under Amount Input option, and set the transaction number to be auto-generated. Moving on, set up your POS identification details for your POS Buddy. Enter a new store ID, terminal ID, and shift ID. On your Android device, visit the Google Play Store to download and install the PeGePay business app. Once installed, launch the app and log in using the mobile app ID found in the payment settings on PeGePay. Your password remains the one you set for PeGePay. As you're logging in with a new device, you will need to go through OTP verification. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now, back in the payment settings page on PeGePay, you should see the option to add a POS Buddy. Let's select your username and click Submit. Now you should see that the mobile app user ID has not been paired with the PeGeFlash Android app. For each device serving as a POS display, download and install the PeGeFlash app from the Google Play Store. To activate PeGeFlash as a POS display, you'll need an onboarding key generated in the payment settings on PeGePay. Let's generate the onboarding key and enter it into your PeGeFlash app. Keep in mind that this key is only valid for 5 minutes. If it expires, you can generate a new one. Back in the PeGeFlash app, enter the onboarding key, and you should see that the mobile app user ID is paired with the PeGeFlash Android app. Now you're all set up. When you want to request payment from a customer, simply enter the requested amount in PeGePay Business POS Buddy. The linked device with PeGeFlash will display the payment QR code for the requested amount. Remember, this QR code expires in 1 minute, so the customer needs to make the payment promptly. After receiving the payment, a verification screen will appear. If the customer requests a receipt, you can generate a QR code here for them to download an e-receipt. That's it! With POS Buddy, you can easily receive payment status updates in real time. But that's not all. You can also use it through an API with a POS system, via WhatsApp, IoT, and more.